Team V. Today we are back in our winter unit and we are doing a science experiment. So, friends at home, this is a super fun science experiment. It also has to do with a little bit of states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. So today we have four polar friends.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And they are stuck in ice. Oh no! Oh, little buddies. So what we're going to do is we are going to save the polar animals.
Save the polar animals.
Now, we have 4 different things we're going to do because we have 4 items. The first thing we're going to do is use salt to melt the ice. The second thing we're going to do is use cold water to melt the ice. The third thing is to use warm water. And the last thing is to do nothing.
Cold water?
Nope. So, Leo, yeah, that's a prediction. What do you think will melt the ice fastest? You think the warm water and the salt will melt it fastest?
Yes, and Fixies, the salt melted it.
So Leo is using his background knowledge to make a prediction, a guess, a hypothesis even. Okay, so this last one where I said we're going to do nothing, we're just going to leave it at regular room temperature. Okay, so what you need is you need salt. You need cold water, you need warm water. You need 4 friends. Now, they don't have to be polar friends. We chose polar friends because we had them. But 4 toys that you can freeze in small bowls. So we put these in the freezer and we froze them. Now,
he's trying to get out.
He's trying to get out. So these are frozen solid. What we're going to do is we are going to detach them from the bowl. So a good way to do that is to run it under some water in the sink and then this will pop right out. I'll show you how. Okay, Team V, we have gotten all our friends out of our bowls. Now, when you're doing that, remember to just use warm water, not hot, because if you change the temperature of glass quickly, the glass will shatter. So our first one, Leo, is salt. Which one do you want to choose to put salt on?
I really need to build up my penguin army, so one of the penguins.
Which penguin would you like to use?
You decide.
Okay, let's use the baby penguin. So Leo is going to pour on the salt. So pour salt all over him. Yep. Yeah. Okay. And more over here. And stop. That's enough. Wow. Great.
I heard the cracking.
Now, this one is going to be our control. We are going to do nothing to him. Which one do you want to use cold water on and which one do you want to use warm water on?
Warm water.
Warm water on him?
On him.
Warm water on him? Okay.
Yeah, because I need to build up my penguin army.
Okay, we're gonna gently and slowly pour.
Penguin army. Oops, it's going on
That's
him.
okay. And we'll do some cold water on this guy. We'll do like little bits at a time. Okay.
That's no.
Okay, friends, we are watching what happens over the first minute. You are going to make observations. That's what you see after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after a half an hour, that's 30 minutes, and after 1 full hour, that's 60 minutes. And you are going to record them on our sheet.
Minute. The salt's working! Look!
Great! Okay, I can use my camera. So, what do you see so far?
The salt is working!
Okay, what is it doing?
Melting the ice!
How do you know it's melting the ice? What do you see coming off of it?
Ice.
Ice cracked?
Water is coming off of it.
Okay.
Never had a chance, water.
Okay, Team V, it has been 30 minutes and Leo's gonna take a look at what's happened. So what's happened to that one with the salt? Oh, look at it. That's the warm water. That's the cold water. And this is the control. Nothing, yeah. So friends, you may have noticed that I moved them into individual bowls. We found that they were getting mixed together, which was changing our data. So we are going to rank order them and see which one has melted the most. So Leo, which one has melted the most?
This one.
That one is the warm water. So you're gonna put a 1 by the warm water.
Hey Mom, I think I can knock him out of that.
Okay. Whoa!
Then
Okay.
both.
So he would be number 2. All right, Team V, so we are done. It has been 1 hour, and Leo, what have we found?
The penguins won.
The penguins won. So the penguins were, the salt was this little guy.
Yes.
And this little guy was the warm water. So the warm water actually melted the ice the quickest. And then the salt was second. After that, it was the cold water that melted it. Oh, look at his cute little paws sticking out. And
He's
then
swimming
our control
in
is
his
still
thing.
pretty frozen. He's swimming. He's swimming in an ice
Beyblade.
cube. Let's tell everyone what happened. What melted the ice quickest, Leo?
Warm water.
Yeah, warm water did. And second?
Salt.
Salt. And third?
Cold water.
Yep. And last?
Control.
Control. Yeah, that was the one that did nothing. So the interesting thing here about the salt is what salt does to melt ice is it actually lowers the freezing point of ice, which is super cool. So that's a little bit of science for you. All right, friends, we can't wait to see your experiment and your finding. All right, let's do our handshake.
Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love ya, bye.